In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send automated emails in Smartsheet using automation workflows. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to create the email notification. Next, click on Automation from the top menu and select Create Workflow. You can start from a template or create a workflow from scratch. For this example, choose Alert someone when specified criteria are met. Give your workflow a name so it's easy to identify later. Now set the trigger for the automation. For example, you can send an email when a task reaches 100% complete, when a status changes, or when a new row is added. After selecting the trigger, define any conditions you want the workflow to follow. Next, choose Alert Someone as the action. Select who should receive the email notification. You can send alerts to specific people, contacts listed in a column, or shared users. Customize the email message and choose which row details you want included in the notification. Once everything is configured, save the workflow. To make sure it works correctly, use the test option or trigger the workflow with sample data. When the specified condition is met, Smartsheet will automatically send an email notification to the selected recipients. Automated emails help keep teams informed, reduce manual follow-ups, and ensure important updates are never missed. That's it. You've successfully learned how to send automated emails in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.